Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all grab your keys and your phone, throw on your running shoes because we have some amazing run glitches, huge overages going on at Dollar General right now. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you turn on those notifications as well. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like these right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick little update on our Walgreens videos. If you have missed out on watching those, make sure that you go and check them out. We have tons of items on clearance right now. We have coupon matchups, super cheap items. I mean, I'm talking like 80-90% off. So go and check out those videos if you haven't already. And keep in mind that today we just received a ton of new digital coupons. So that means new coupon matchups for all of those clearance items. We also have a new booster. But as a quick little update to one of the items that I purchased, I ended up picking up the number 7 gift set, which was normally priced at $70. It's a $140 value. This was marked down to $28. We have that 5 off 1 digital coupon. And last night I opened up this beautiful gift set. Let me tell you all, the products are fantastic, but as a bonus, they threw in a 5 off 1 number 7 face product coupon, as well as a 5 off 1 number 7 eye product coupon, and they do not expire until March. So I was super excited to see that that deal just kept getting better. I mean, $23, I used Walgreens cash to pay, plus I'm getting $10 back in manufacturer coupons that I will definitely use because I love those number 7 products. So I just wanted to kind of give y'all a heads up on that. I am going to be posting some pictures over on the community tab so you guys can check those coupons out over there. All right, now we're going to get into the run glitches going on at Dollar General, but first, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you get into the store that you scan every single item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupon shows up underneath. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Also, since we are going to be talking about overages in this video, do not forget that at new registers and at self-checkout, they do not allow overages any longer at Dollar General. You can only get the overage deals at the old register stores. And how you tell the difference is the touchscreen registers are the new registers. If you see a register and it has like a computer keyboard underneath, that is an old registers. Again, overages will not apply at self-checkouts, and they will not apply at new registers. Now, one more quick reminder before we get into these glitches. We do have a lot of coupons expiring today and a lot of exclusive coupons that may not be on all accounts, but they are expiring today. So, for example, I found this one on one of my accounts this morning. It's a 3 off 1 on the Bounty paper towels. That makes those just $2.60. And then we also have all of those exclusive Gain and Downy coupons on the scent beads. Now, let's get into these run glitch deals, and these are run glitch deals. Typically with the P&G products, I would say that these glitches typically last all month long. However, Dollar General has definitely proved me wrong over the last couple of months. So we're going to call these run glitch deals, and we're going to run out and get them before they are gone. Now, also one last thing, never ever let the cashier give you cash back. You always need to add something else into your transaction for that overage to apply to. All right, so first up, we have this 2 off 1 digital coupon on our Crest toothpaste. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick one up if you're at a new register. That's going to make it completely free. If you are at an old register store, that is going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Next up, we just received a new 2 off 1 for our Oral-B toothbrushes. This coupon is glitching and it is working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes, priced at just $1. So if you're at a new register, that's going to make it completely free. If you are at an old register, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. And keep in mind that this is one of those that reset on us last month, and it stopped working just a few days after we received this coupon. All right, next up, we just received a new 50 cent off 1 digital coupon on our Old Spice deodorant. This coupon is glitching and it's working on the travel-sized Old Spice deodorant priced at $1.10. So pick up one, use the coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 60 cents. Now, we also just received a new 5 off 3 for our Old Spice products. So if you want to pick up 3 of the Old Spice travel size deodorants at $1.10 each, if you're at a new register store, that coupon's going to make it completely free. If you're at an old register store, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.70 in overage. Now, I also want to throw out there that we did have another scent of the Old Spice travel size deodorants that were on clearance. So if you guys spot any in the clearance section, definitely pick those up, scan them. Those might be a little bit cheaper, and they could have possibly even pennied out with all those surprise pennies that we had a few weeks ago. But for this specific glitch, and the one that I have pictured on your screen here, this is the Swagger scent, and you should be able to find this in your regular travel section. Now, speaking of surprise pennies, like I said a few weeks ago, we had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. I would even go as far as to say probably thousands of items that surprise pennied out at Dollar General. I did upload a couple of visual videos, and I also put together a couple of videos where you guys sent in your hauls, so I was sharing your all's pictures, so that was super, super helpful. And basically in those videos, I told you guys just to go out and scan everything in your clearance section. Anything that looks out of place, just scan, scan, scan. And well, this morning I stumbled upon another item that has surprise pennied, and we do have a digital coupon for it. So with this item, you guys need to look high, look low, look everywhere you go, because we have a 50-cent off one digital coupon on the Olay products. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the Olay travel sized body wash. They are now a penny. So if you can find one of these, pick it up, use that coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 49 cents in overage at the old register stores. It's going to make it completely free to new register, but these are only a penny anyway. So either way you want to do it. But the deal gets even better because we do have a 5 off 3 digital coupon on the Olay products. If you can find 3 of these at 1 penny each, that is going to make it completely free, plus give you $4.97 in overage. So good luck, guys. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and scan, scan, scan. You never know when you are going to stumble upon another penny item. Maybe we have another coupon matchup that will give you even more overage. So scan, scan, scan. And y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy awesome deals coming at you all very, very soon. In fact, Miss Deborah Williams-Buss is sending in a few deals that she's come up with right now. So stick around, stay tuned, and don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.